Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a repeater field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the repeater field. Drag and drop the repeater field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the repeater field settings. Define a name for the field label that will appear on the front end of the form. Now drag and drop the necessary fields into the repeater field section according to your requirements. You can also personalize field labels and input placeholder text to suit your preferences. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the repeater field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. If you enable this option, the repeater field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the repeater field will be visible. Use the default row setting to control how many rows are initially displayed in the repeatable section of the form. This option enables you to define the minimum number of rows that users can add within the repeatable section of the form, and you can set a custom error message that will be displayed when the limit is extended. This option allows you to set a maximum number of rows that users can add within the repeatable section of the form. You can also customize the error message that will be displayed if the user exceeds the limit. Using this feature, you can choose the position of the button symbol for this field, at the top, bottom, left, or right of the field. This option enables you to choose the button alignment for this field. You can select from 3 alignment options: Start, Center, or End. This option allows you to customize the button view layout in 4 different styles: vertical, vertical reserve, horizontal, and horizontal reserve. If you enable this option, the Add button icon will be visible, and if you disable this option, the Add button icon will be hidden. The Remove button option allows you to delete repeated sections in your form easily. You can also add a custom text for this button to suit your preference. By enabling this option, the Add button feature will appear on the left side of the field, and if you disable this option, the Add button feature will be removed. You can also customize the button text to suit your preferences. Using this option, you can customize the Add button alignment for this field: Start, Center, or End. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the repeater field. Here, you can see that the repeater field has been successfully added to the form. Click on the plus icon to add a new row, or click on the minus icon to remove an existing row. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.